Oh, he got.
Oh, I see. Oh, you gonna do that, Mike?
Yeah, no. Oh, hold on, no, don't go yet.
Alright, here goes Diego.
No, you go ahead and pull it.
Alright, buddy. Hey, where's he at? Over there. Hey, well, bring him over here.
Yeah, if I set him in the right direction a little bit. Woo! Nice crack.
Defense.
Oh my God. How many swings did they get?
As many as he wants.
Yeah. Oh. Just don't let that stick go.
Yeah.
Hey, feel for it.
Hold hands.
Like a bat. Turn around.
No, feel for it. Up in the air.
Turn around.
There it goes.
Turn the other way. There you go.
Come on, buddy.
Down. Up.
Right in front of you.
The other way. The other way. The other way. Yeah, that way.
There you go.
Down. 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 Hurry. Up.
Come on, don't you want all that candy?
Right there. Up higher. Up higher. Down.
Ooh.
Hey, don't let go of that stick, whatever you do.
We can just, I can just move it. He can move it, I can move it.
And it was always right there. Where were you? Nobody wants it.
Yeah, kids under 3.
And then Mike. Ooh, nice. Ooh, she put her foot up, man, like the stand.
Diego, move back.
Wow.
We got a live one here.
Oh my
Just
God.
don't let that stick go.
Yeah, no.
I got a feeling if she gets a good piece out of it,
Yeah.
it's going to come out.
Ooh.
Oh, I think I got a knot on that.
Oh.
Is it?
I peeked. It was right here. I got it. Hey, if nobody hits it down, it's my turn again.
I know, that makes me crazy. I can't figure out why it's not going down.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay.
What, the rope?
Back up. Don't start swinging until Cammy leaves, okay? Okay.
Hit hard.
Ooh, nice.
Get it. Don't let go of the stick, whatever you do.
Chin check.
You know what, you're going to have to...
Get it, Kyla.
Wait a minute.
Get it.
Hold on, Kyla.
Hold on, baby. Don't take that off yet.
Yeah, you know what, take it out of there and just throw it over. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. You want to do it?
Oh, you're yeah, I'll do it.
You want to hang on to it?
Do it?
I feel my hands tired.
Yeah, do it, baby. Do it. Okay, Kyla. Go, Kyla. Go. Go, Kyla. Go. Couple more swings. We're going to let the other kids try. Couple more. Okay, one more good one. Go. Okay, next.
Ooh, nice.
Next kid.
Okay. You got it good though, Kyla. Let me go. I'm not gonna blindfold you. No. Get his way though, and everyone sit back. Yeah, everyone sit back.
Whoa, that guy got some. Woo! Whoa. Yeah.
Sophia, pégale tú, mija. Your turn. You want to hit it? I'm going to break it. You want to hit it? What is it? Get it. Get it, Victor. Get it. Okay, Phil, your turn. Let me get one good one. You're on it, honey. I was just kidding. It's okay. You mean her. Juana, vaya esta. Sophia, you don't want to turn?
Who's up? Ooh, Z. The Z-Man.
Don't let go of the stick, son.
Yeah, keep both hands on the stick, please. Babe Ruth. Yes, this Babe Ruth.
Go fast, go fast, go fast. 10 more times. Hey,
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, don't swing until we say go.
Wait.
Break it. Come on.
Come on, Z.
Come on. You
Now.
can do it.
Put some power in it.
Whoa. Yeah, but get back. Oh, Z. Come on. 2 hands, buddy.
Hold on, feel for it first. Feel
Get a
where
good
it's
grip on it, Z-Fin.
at. No, straight.
No, the other way.
The other way.
The other way.
The other way, mija, to your left.
Right here.
No, the other way.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Behind you, Z.
Right there, straight.
Now
Walk
walk.
straight.
Now walk.
Zippin'.
Make sure you let go of that stick, mijo.
Don't let go of that stick.
2 hands, honey. Grip it.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Don't, nah,
No.
both hands.
No.
Both hands.
2 hands, bud.
Both hands.
Two
Deep
hands.
it.
be up here.
I know.
Alright. Alright, that's good. Babe Ruth.
Them piñatas don't give real easy, do they?
Ooh, nice.
Good job, Z.
Good Lord. These things are bulletproof.
Different. You have a bag? You need to have it out.
Wow. Ain't no dent in it or nothing, man.
Take care of me, your turn.
These piñatas are durable, man.
Okay. Limpia, another turn.
Okay.
Sigue limpia.